Here's a short video today. I just want to share this. An idea that I've had for a while. I finally got around to building it. It's a little table here. It's cut in a trapezoid. I'll get some dimensions on everything and post it in the description of the video. But you got these locking legs here. The reason why it's cut like this is so it will fit. There we go. So you can work in the footwell of your car. I also bought this pad here. Again, an Amazon product. I'll put a link to the folding legs too, another Amazon product. If you have a moving blanket, something like that, you can also use this. Just throw that across there. So that way, if you're trying to work up in the footwell of the car, and I have a flashlight, there we go. So say I need to work down here, I can just crawl underneath, and here I am, able to look up underneath here. I can get to like the clevis pins on the clutch or the brake pedal, anything like that. It's all easy reach, and it's not like I am trying to contort myself lying over the door sill here. And not that difficult to get back up. Kind of nice on the back if you're old like me. So again, I'll put some dimensions in the description, and you can use a nice thick blanket. You can find a pad like this. Just go right in there. Nice and comfortable. You don't hurt your back. Just make it about the door height, and you're all set. I hope you find this one useful. Have a good one.